Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy here, Jux254. Yeah, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe at Jux254. Support your guy, watch my videos, share and leave a sweet comment below. I'm coming live from the village. I'm at Nyabohansa, as I told you. Yeah, it's our village, my homeland, Nyabohanse in Kenya. This is the look of Africa. It's an evening. You can see the sun rays, the way are heated the forest. I'm at the village, walking around, seeing how it's going, because I have stayed for too long in Kisii without coming here. Now I decided to come and look how it is, things how it's going. Guys, see the beauty of the forest. It's my neighbor's forest here, and now this is how it looks. You see the ground, it's have a lot of leaves because the fallen ones from the tree fall down, and it's clean. You can put even a mattress and you rest. But the good thing of here, there is no harmful animals like snakes, like so many. So this is the forest, and this is how it looks, and this is the view. They are tall, and up there is a beehive. Can I see it? Let me put here my camera. There is some rice. I will show you there. There is a beehive there for keeping bees. It's a good project, but it need the place where there is maize, there is some flowers, there is some things that at least, and there must be at least a river where, you know, bees, they must drink water. They pick some things in the flowers they put there. And here in Kenya, the wondering thing is that when the bees, they stay for 4 months, then you harvest. Here when the maize be ready to harvest, that's the season most of the people harvest bees. Now let me show you how it looks. I'm coming from bathing, so I don't know if they will bite me. I don't know, because of the perfume of the jelly. This is the look of the Africa, Nyabohanse. It's beautiful, guys. You can travel from abroad and come. I will host you in here. Then you will see many things, like you know, here we are near the boundary of Kenya and Tanzania. You can go to Tanzania, you can go to the game park of Tanzania. You see the beautiful sceneries here in Kenya, and you'll enjoy. That's how the people become friends. You can travel from USA, you can travel from Brazil, you can travel from Mexico, wherever you are, guys, my subscribers and my watching people watch me. You can travel and see things here. And this is how it looks. The beehives keeping. This is the beehives keeping, and this is how it looks like. It's a house, and it's hata nafanya video, and this is how it looks. Nenda nyumbani, unaitwa Lewi, nenda nyumbani. I'm telling the kids to go home because here is at in the forest, and this is the house of the bees. And let me show you the other ones. There's already put outside here. This is how it looks, guys. If you can see, there is some bees there, and this is the house. Inside there is bees. They have already harvested, because you see those things there, they has already harvested. That's the look. It's not my project. It's not my project, guys, but it's our neighbor's project, and it has been good, because somebody cannot keep something that does not bring a profit. You must keep at least things that bring a profit, so that you can gain from that. There's another one has put here, but at the back of the tree, but has not yet, the bees are not inside. All of them go there. Let me show you. This is how it looks. It has nothing inside. It has nothing. All of them, they have transferred to there. So how, and that is the things are going. It's a small nature, because it has been in a while for coming here. Now I have come to show you and how things are going here, guys. This is the look of the forest. It's a nice place, nice place. Arsenal. I'm putting the Arsenal jersey, and there's a place here that has there's a swamp. It was swampy before, but for now people has already cultivated as a land. Now they are farming. As you can see, this is how it looks. It was swampy, but for now they has cultivated and has been a good land for cultivating, and it's fertile because it is in the river. It's so fertile. If you plant things, there is no need of putting farm inputs like fertilizer. It's fertility. It's the own fertility, natural fertility at that soil. We were swimming here some years, like 10 years ago back. We were swimming inside here, but for now things are changing. Things are rotating. Now it's where they plant their things, and there is a small river here. This is where we are taking kettles to drink water. This place, the water was all over here, but for now it has been small. This is the water, guys. There is an algae inside the water, and that's how it looks. This is how things are here in Kenya. See how it looks. That's the view, guys. You can see up there, there is a small farm of maize. This season people are harvesting. You can see they are already changed their color from green to brown, and this season is for harvesting. This place was swampy, now it's a farm. See how it looks, guys. This is the real view. I wish I could have a GoPro, can take 360 degrees, but one day we'll have it. This is how it looks. That forest I was inside is that, and this is the place. So we were used to swim here, but for now we have the ball that was there. It has already digged some things inside. Now it's a farm, and people, they are doing their business here, cultivating, and life continues going. It's been a while, and this the here they are already. I'm seeing they were planting cabbages. There, that's the cabbage, but it does not do well because that place is too dry. This place is dry this than this one. If you can see things that are planted here, they are healthy. Here they are healthy than this side. So let me go back. That's a small channel of water. So guys, continue supporting your boy here, Jux254. Wherever you are, I'm passing greetings to Brazil, Mexico, India, USA. All over you are watching this video from, I'm greeting you but I don't know your greetings. But here in Kenya, as you can say habari yako, how it means how is you, and you can answer that ni nzuri, it's good. Now I'm proceeding to home after a short nature walk in our village. Even there is a stone here that you can take a rest here. Things are naturally in Africa here, guys. You can see. This is how things are in Africa. So guys, continue subscribing to my channel, share, like, and leave a sweet comment below if you know, if you, and do something in comment section so I can know where you are watching this video from. If from Kenya, you say in comment section, from USA, comment section, Mexico, wherever you are. So continue watching, subscribe, and share, and leave a sweet comment below. Thank you guys, I love you all.